Hi, I'm Christian Hogan from Northside. I'm going to be demoing Verbal Access today. So we're going to start off by showing you just how easy it is for an existing customer to use Verbal Access to perform day-to-day banking.
Transfer $150 to my brother from my checking account.
Please confirm that you want to transfer $150 from the checking account to Daniel.
Yeah, that's fine.
The transaction was successful. The checking account balance is now $762.85.
So as you can see, it's very easy to use Verbal Access. All you need to do is text or speak what you want, and the system is able to perform the transaction for you. The main benefit, however, comes in when you're not sure exactly what you're looking to do. So in the example we showed, the payee had already been added, and the customer knew which account they wanted to transfer from and the amount that they wanted to transfer. Now, if, for example, she hadn't had the payee added and didn't know how to add the payee, that's where Verbal Access really shines.
How do I add a payee?
Log into the bank's online banking system. Choose the Transfer Funds option. Select the Add Payee option. Enter the payee's bank account information. Confirm the payee's information.
So as you can see, Verbal Access allows the user to ask questions in the same environment that they perform the transactions. This saves them the time of needing to navigate a way to search through an FAQ or to wait on hold for a customer service agent. Verbal Access adds an additional benefit in that it also performs semantic understanding. So here she had asked a very good question: how do I add a payee? But Verbal Access would work even if she asked a bad question.
How would I add stuff?
Are you trying to add the bank's website to favorites? Or add a payee? Or obtain a credit card for a secondary cardholder? Please enter a choice from 1 to 3.
So even if she doesn't use the correct keywords, we can attempt to interpret her intent and offer her possible solutions based on the information we have. Now here we're using Northside's demo corpus to answer questions. But Northside's natural language understanding pipeline can work on any text-based corpus. So you can give it the information from your FAQs or from the training materials for your telephone agents, and it can use that information to answer questions.
I'd like to send money to someone.
Who do you want to transfer the money to?
My sister.
This payee isn't in your payee list. Do you want to add them?
Yes, I do.
What is the first name of the payee?
Jessica.
What is the last name of the payee?
Adams.
What is the account number of the payee? What is the institution number? What is the transit number? You have successfully added a new payee to your payee list. Which account would you like to transfer the money from?
My checking account.
How much would you like to transfer?
$150.
Please confirm that you want to transfer $150 from the checking account to Jessica.
That is correct.
The transaction was successful. The checking account balance is now $612.85.
Because Verbal Access is aware of the information it requires, it can then query for missing information. In this case, adding a payee. This helps teach the user the requirements for any given transaction so that the next time the user uses the system, it can be as easy as the first time we saw it. Verbal Access also allows the user to query their own transactions, so they can ask about balances and when they made payments.
What payments did I make today?
The $150 transferred to Daniel and the $150 transferred to Jessica.
When did I pay Daniel?
The $150 transferred to Daniel on February 24, 2016 and the $150 transfer on January 27, 2016.
What's the balance of my checking account?
The balance of the checking account is $612.85.
So that completes our demo. As you can see, Verbal Access empowers self-service by allowing the user to text or speak to their bank's app. This allows them to perform all of their banking in a single environment without having to call customer service or browse through FAQs. That's the benefit of Verbal Access. Thank you.